The Ministry of Education held a press conference today addressing the controversies of paper leak and irregularities in the NEET UG 2024, the Central Medical Entrance Exam, maintaining the exam was conducted with integrity and fair procedure. In fact, the Secretary of Higher Education assured that there was no compromise in the administering of the exam. The main issue has been the granting of grace marks for time lost at certain centres, and the government said that a committee has been formed to analyse the issue of these irregularities.
We also replied in the High Court that we have formed a grievance redressal committee of experts, and this committee will look into all the details of the time loss, including the reports from the center, the CCTV footage and all that. So the High Court said that they dismissed petition, and if the candidates are having further grievances, then obviously they can again go back to the court. This problem was happened like out of 4,750 centers, it was limited to few 6 centers, and out of like 24 lakhs, it was only 1,600. So the integrity, etc. of this exam throughout the country was not compromised.
This NEET UG 2024 results that were announced on the evening of June 4th. Remember that almost 2 million students took this examination, and this is that one exam that's conducted by National Testing Agency that decides the future of aspiring doctors. Almost over 1 lakh medical seats, MBBS seats across 700 institutions. So very critical examination for the country, for wannabe doctors, for people who want to be medicos. So this is going to be very important. And what the government today said, what the NDA directors today said, Subodh Kumar Singh, was that a panel has been put in place to re-examine the results of the 1,600. Exactly, to be exact, it's 1,536 students who have been awarded grace marks. Remember, the whole controversy broke out because 67 students got a perfect 720 on 720, and of this 67 students, 6 students were found to be the same center. So what the NTA is now telling us is that this problem, this controversy is limited to 1,536 students only, actually 1,600 students to be approximate, and then it only deals with 6 examination centers. The panel that has been put in place will work very fast, and it will basically start its work in the next few hours. It will be headed by a former UPSC chairperson, and it will have 4 members. That's what we know as of now, because this is what the NTA director told us today. NTA is also the agency that conducts very important examinations like CLAT, or for that matter the law examination, or for that matter JEE, which decides admissions to IIT. So this is also a prestigious, a premier agency that looks at organizing testing, tests for all online and offline tests for students. So all that Mr. Singh said was also that this panel will decide if there is actually a need to revisit the possibility that this examination could be reheld. Remember, there are governments like Maharashtra government that have basically cancelled this. But remember, this issue is also in the court, with both Calcutta High Court and Delhi High Court looking at this.